Welcome to Kambai Mathematics. Welcome to my channel.
An implicit function.
If you're just coming for the first
All
time,
the
make
other
sure
ones
you
have been solving
share,
their explicit
like, and
function.
also subscribe
Explicit
from this channel.
that the y is only the dependent variable while the x are independent. They are on the other side. But this one, both the independent and the dependent variables are made together, and we are asked to calculate the gradient at this point. We are to find the gradient at this point. So to do this, this is what we will do. So you will first of all differentiate x, which will give us 2x. You leave it there. But for this one, it's in product form before you have two variables here. So you first of all differentiate y. So that you first of all differentiate x. When you differentiate x, it will be 1. 1 times 2, it will be 2, which is 2y. Then plus, you are now leaving x and differentiate y. And when you differentiate y, you replace it with dy dx. So this will give us 2x dy over dx minus y with this, so because it is a dependent variable. So what will happen here is that you bring these 2 down, which will be 4. You differentiate 1y, which is which you are left with y, and then you replace that y that you have differentiated with dy dx. Then plus differentiating x, it will give us 1. Differentiating a constant will give us 0. So let us rearrange now. We'll bring this one with dy dx closer, so that dy dx, when we factor it out, we'll have 2x minus 4y all in bracket dy over dx equals to, take this to the other side, you have minus 2y minus 2x minus 1. So we can divide both sides by this, so that we have dy all over dx is equals to minus 2y minus 2x minus 1 all divided by 2x minus 4y. So at the point dy over dx, so that we have x is equals to minus 4 and y equals to 1. So we'll substitute this one to be minus 2 open bracket 1 minus 2 open bracket minus 4 and then minus 1 all over, I'm using this coordinate, so that we have 2 open bracket minus 4 then minus 4 open bracket 1. So this will have as minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Minus times minus is plus, so that will be 8. So we are left with minus 2 plus 8, that is 6. 6 minus 1, that will be what? 5. All over this time, this is minus 8. Minus 8 minus 4, it will give us minus 12. So our final answer will be minus 12. Or let me rewrite it as, so that it will be minus 5 all over 12 as a final answer. So this is implicit function. This is how we solve this kind of problem. Thank you so much for watching.